Hi, my name is Ravina, and I'm here to share with you our top ironing boards collection. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Bathla. Available now on Amazon. Number 2, by DivineXt. For more info about these great online deals, click this banner in the corner. Number 3, by TruGood. Don't miss this monsoon ready sale. Click this link below for more. Number 4, by Tim Hawk. Our editor choice. Number 5, by Bathla. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 6, by Peng Essentials. Get these great online deals now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7, by Paffy. Number 8, by Oreo. This is one of many great products we got in store for you. Number 9, by Magna Homewares. Number 10, by Paffy.